Hello everybody, welcome back again to my channel Ifdal Zaki, and my name is Ifdal Zaki. And the segment I'm gonna call it If Talks, Ifdal Talks, because I talk in English. I'm from Indonesia, but I'm learning English, and this is my way to learn to speak English fluently because I want to speak English fluently, and this is my effort to train myself. Okay, I'm gonna talking about something about random topics in my videos in this segment. This if talks. At the first video, I talk about my hobby that is gaming. But for now, in this second video, I'm gonna talk about my effort to make my body slimmer, my body thinner, yeah, something like that. Because uh, at the start at in this year in 2025, I've got 98 kilograms for my weight, so it's not healthy for me. Uh, because I have height my height body height is 167 centimeters, so it's 1.67 meters, yeah. uh, and there's because my weight is 98 kilograms, I've got obesity, right? I'm still obese right now. I'm still obese now, right? Yeah, I'm still obese, and but now I got a class 2 obese. Maybe at the start of this year, I've got class 3 of obese. There are three stages of obesity. Oh, yeah, there are one, two, and three. And now I am at 2. Maybe at the start of this year I've got 3, I don't know. Yeah, I don't calculate the body mass index at that time. So I tried one day. Uh, uh, why I've got 98 kilograms at that time, because I have a sedentary lifestyle. I don't like to train my body. I don't like to run at the morning, or maybe in the afternoon, or maybe at the night. I don't want to work out in the gym. I don't want to, yeah, I've got a lazy body, a lazy mindset, right? I don't want to train myself. I don't want to make myself tired. I don't want to break my muscle and then build it again in my sleep, something like that. So uh, I woke up at that time. I just woke up in the morning. I scroll my social media, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, or maybe YouTube or something like that. I don't run at the maybe not what or field and something like that. I don't run jogging and something like that. I don't do that. I didn't do that. Then yeah, eventually I've got 98 kilograms, right? Then one time at one morning at the July, I've got something like revelation, maybe. Yeah, uh, I told to myself that this is not a health lifestyle. This is not what I want, and maybe I got no time when I was older. I got no uh, healthy physique that I can play with my family. Maybe I went to Japan, or maybe I went to all around Indonesia, right? Because Indonesia is very vast. It's very large country, right? We've got many islands and many beautiful islands, right? That I want to visit with my family. But maybe at that time, maybe at my 40s, I've got no healthy physiques that I can accompany my family to go to our holidays, right? So I don't want to spend my old times on the bed because I've got no healthy physiques. Yeah, yeah, that's why I've got that revelation. I want to be a healthy person. I want to be a healthy old man for my kids, for my I want to be a healthy husband for my wife. Yeah, that's why I want to be a healthy son for my dad and my mom also, right? So that's why July 2025 I started to walking with 24, 22 and 17 pace. It's very slow pace, right? I'm just walking around. I've got 1 kilometer for 3 minutes walk, and yeah, just 1 kilometer because I've got a very slow pace, right? Very slow pace. I'm just walking around, and then uh, I've got a friend. His name is Zaki. Also Zaki. I am Zaki, right? But his name is also Zaki. But he started to gain muscle with his body because he started to do deadlift. You know the deadlift. Maybe I want to show you deadlift in the gym. Yeah, something like this kind of, yeah, something like this. So you pull you know, uh what is it, pull bar, I don't know. And it's not a pull bar, barbell, yeah, something like that. Yeah, how to deadlift, yeah, right. So you just uh deadlift, lift the bar here, and with some weight in here. I don't know what is mean in English, I don't know. Yeah, and then he gains muscle, and he posted his process in Instagram in his account, right? So that's why I did a podcast with him. This is the podcast. I just go to, yeah, maybe you can go to my channel in here, and you can see that there is a video with me talking with Zaki in here. Yeah, this is the video. Can I, yeah. So in this video I'm talking about how he started to do deadlift in, and at his journey, to 2 years, maybe in 2 years, I don't know. And I want to myself I want to make myself a motivation. So I want to Zaki became my motivation to do my exercise, right? So after that I have a very meaningful conversation at the point. At one point Zaki said that when you are overweight, the hardest part to do, to starting your workout, is the breaking your mindset, because overweight person is a lazy person, right? They don't want to exercise. They are denial that with their healthy. So how to break their mentality is the hardest part, and then the rest is history. If you got to break your mentality, and then you do start to exercise, then the rest is history. Just do your exercise, and then you got a consistent, and then do the exercise consistently, then you got the new body, right? Just do it consistently without complicated things, without maybe gym membership, something like that. Just do it simple. Do it, start it simple, right? Just start it simple. That's why I start my exercise with walking, because that is the easiest way for me to start to do exercise, right? I don't do running, I don't do heavy lifting, or maybe dumbbell, yeah, something like that. I don't do that. I did not do that at the time. For the starters, I just uh, wearing my any short pants, any short pants that I got in my what is lemari. It is a simple vocab, but I don't know cupboard. Chest, a wardrobe. Yes, lemari baju. So and my wardrobe, I just took random what is it, short pants, and then not really short pants. I think it's seven, a quarter, or not a quarter. What is 3/4? don't know, 75%. I don't know. It's not long, so it's like a basketball pants, right? So it's not long, but not very short. Yeah, you know it. Yeah. Uh, Celana 3/4. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, I just took my any 3 per 4 pants in my wardrobe. Then I start to walking. I'm not jogging, not running. I'm just walking like that, walking like this. Yeah, just walking until I've got encouraged that in August I think I can do better. Then I start little running. It's like power walking, power walking, yeah, something like this. Nah, it's like fast walking, right? Fast walking, but with running stance. So I've got running stance, but it is something. The pace is like power walking. So it is not fast running, but I'm running, right? Because I'm running, that the pace eventually became I've got 11 until 10 pace. So and I've got an average 11 day by day. So I I am continuing my exercise with this little running, just little exercise with a small running, right? Like power walking with average pace 11 average pace every morning. Yeah, I'm not joking. I am consistently doing this every morning. Yeah, every morning if I've got no time to do the walking or maybe a small running, I'm just walking with my family in the complex. What is ruko complex ruko shop, yeah, shop house complex in my neighborhood. Just walking with my family. Yeah, I'm maybe just walking with 40 minutes or maybe 30 minutes. Yeah, just do walking and do small running, right? And then and the start of this October, I think. Yeah. And at the start of the October 2025, I'm starting to do dumbbell exercise. You know dumbbell, right? Dumbbell, yeah, something like this. I've just use the 2 kilograms dumbbell, two dumbbells with weight 2 kilograms, just 2 kilograms. But 2 kilograms dumbbell is heavy for me. When do exercise like this, yeah, with my two arms, it's very heavy because I can feel it in my shoulder. This is very hard for me because I'm just starting to do the dumbbell exercise. But eventually I've got sorry. Eventually I feeling that it is fun for me, and I do it after I am running at the shop house complex every morning. So every morning I woke up, then I pray Fajr Subuh, right, because I'm Muslim. Then after that I ran to the shop house complex. I ran to do power walk for I think around 30 minutes, 30 until 36 minutes. Then after that I've got home. Then I'm starting to do dumbbell exercise. And the dumbbell exercise, I am mocking this video. This is my favorite video, dumbbell exercise, dumbbell workout. Yeah, this is my favorite video. Yeah, this is my favorite. I don't know, friends in here. The Hasfit here. They are very thoroughful and thoughtful to do their exercise. So it's a slow pace exercise, and I love to follow their workout in this video. And they started with what is pemanasan, warm up. They started from warm up, and then the exercise. There are A B C D for superset. For superset, for one set there are two two different moves, and each move will be repeated 2 times. So if I've got 4 superset, and which in set is I've got 2 moves, and one move is repeated 2 times, then I got maybe, yeah, something like 8, no, yeah, eight move that I want, that I learned in this video. And then after that they finish it with a cooldown. So it's very basic, it's very slow pacing, but it is good for me because I'm just starting to learn how to do dumbbell workout, right? And yeah, this is beginner 30 minutes is very friendly for the beginner. So if you are starting to work out, just trying to follow them in Hasfit here. Yeah, yeah, they have 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. You can adjust to your necessity, right? And your waktu luang. What is waktu luang? Free time in your free time also. I've got 1 hour free time in the morning, so I got 30 minutes to power walking. Then I've got home, then I've got 30 minutes to do dumbbell exercise. I do it every day. Besides, sorry, I'm doing a challenge also from Dinkes Jakarta, right? Dinas Kesehatan Jakarta, you can Google it, Dinas Kesehatan Jakarta. They have a challenge to downgrade our pants size, yeah. For the obesity people in Jakarta, people who lives in Jakarta or who works in Jakarta. And I'm starting with my weight, I don't know, maybe 93, yeah, 93 kilograms. And then in the this is the second week. At the 1 week, 1 week long length out of the challenge, I've got 1 kilograms decline. So yeah, I moved from 33 kilograms to 93 kilograms to 92 kilograms for now. So I am targeting that I have to reduce my weight at least 1 kilograms per week. So this challenge have 6 week length, yeah. And I've just in the second week. The next week will be the third week, right? So I'm gonna show you my progress in here. Yeah, I'm just yeah, this is very safe for me to show you. So you see that at the October 7, 2025, I've got 90 kilograms in here. Then the IMT here is BMI, body mass index, but in Indonesia is index massa tubuh, so it is called EMT or IMT, but in English is BMI. It's the same way, it's the same. So I've got 33 IMT. This is the class 2 obesity. This is not healthy for me, of course. So that's why I'm working on this challenge, right? And then this is the second week. This week, right? I've got the body mass index is going down, or at one point, yeah, at least, I don't know, yeah, at one point, but my weight becomes 92 kilograms, and this is the lingkar pinggang. What is lingkar pinggang in English? Lingkar pinggang, waist size. So my waist size shrinking to 6 centimeter. This is too far for me, I don't know why, but it scares me to have good progress in my waist size. But yeah, I don't know, but I'm just doing my workout, right? Just doing my workout as usual. So yeah, so here so at the end of the week, at Sunday, at Sunday, I have to upload my activity, something like this. Yeah, this is my activity at the second week. This is my activity for the dumbbell exercise, right? I'm just have to report for to them the one exercise. I did two exercise, right? One is power walking and the second is the dumbbell exercise part. But the Dinkes Jakarta just need one exercise, so I'm just send them the dumbbell exercise. So here is my dumbbell exercise. This is I'm just consistently doing this dumbbell exercise for 2 weeks. So this is my second week. I'm starting to getting a new muscle in here. Yeah, you know, I'm maybe in here, and bicep and triceps starting to from good from nicely. I don't know the English. Yeah. So yeah, my body is improving, but it's not very visible for now. Maybe later on, maybe in the end of this year, I think I've got the result. Yeah, something like that. But I don't want to have a short result. I want to have a long result because this is for my healthness, right? So yeah, this is my effort to make my body healthy. You know, you see the my stomach is very big, tummy big. You know, sorry. But later on I have a very flat, yeah. That I'm not very flat, but I mean not very flat, but it is what is it? Littler, right? More little. And this is my body is improving, right? I'm gaining my some muscle, but I have less lemak. What is lemak in English? Lemak, fat. Yeah, I have less fat, but gaining some muscles, right? So this is my effort. This is my perjuangan. What is perjuangan? Struggle. This is my struggling. How I am struggling to make my body healthier, right? And so they also the Dinkas also want to see uh, what meals that I have every day. So I have to report them what meals that I have every day. Yeah, something like this, right? This is not healthy because there are so many what is tepung flour. Yeah, I'm still working on with gorengan because gorengan is very tasty from my Indonesian mouth, Indonesian yeah, Indonesian taste bud. So you see, Indonesian very like to eat gorengan, the food with flour in it. So yeah, and yeah, I'm just realized that I'm very like banana because four or my of my 7 meals are having banana in here. Yeah, I don't know why. I'm just grabbing the fruit that available in my house, and that and the time I'm just have a banana, so that I grab it, then I photo it. Yeah, I took the picture of it. So yeah, and then they want to see how many steps that I did in one day at the 7 day that I have spent in this week. The minimum is 7,500 steps, but I've got more. Usually, at least 7,000 or 700, something like that. 7,700, yeah, something like that, or more. At the first week, I've ever got 10,000 steps. So they say that a very healthy man at least have 10,000 steps in every day. But for now, maybe I've got just 9,000 steps that recorded in my waist, right? The waist in here. So yeah, yeah, I'm still processing, right? Because this is still process. I'm just starting workout at the July, and that is not consistent. I'm starting to consistent workout at the August. Then in October, I'm just trying to consistent to the dumbbell or angkat beban exercise and dumbbell exercise. So yeah. So have you now? You mind to tell me, do you have a body that healthy body or not, or do you start or do you exercising for on the daily basis, or maybe on a routine basis, maybe one or per week, or maybe twice a week or something like that? You can comment in this section below, right? And then don't forget to subscribe me. Okay, see you at the next video. See ya.